My name is Mario Rodriguez. I came the first time to visit Dr. Patel June 5, 2020. The way that I found her was another medical practice, Dr. Bhaktas, and I saw her poster in the wall. I asked him, is she any good? I have a really bad, well, I was overweight at that time, really bad. So the answer was, well, I will have a bias because she's my wife. So I said, well, okay. So I took a picture of the poster, and when I got home, I called her, and I came here the first time. She was very nice, very kind, and we talked. And one of the things that I told her is that, well, that I wanted to really change. That was the decision that I made for myself. So she walked me through the program. We talked a lot about that. She told me about what were the things that I needed to do, the things that I needed to learn. I was gonna get weekly control, that I started doing that. I started with the intense one, the one that is really strict, and I did that for almost 3 months. And I'm not gonna say that it was easy, but it's not impossible. And again, I'm Latino, I'm a male, I'm 57 years old. We were in the middle of a pandemic. I lost both my parents in this. There was a lot of things that could have played against me. But the support that I got from Dr. Patel, from the team, from Angelica, from Gina, from Noemi was my nurse at that time, from everybody here was just amazing. So you can make as many excuses as you want, but if you really want to do it, there's a way to do it. I'm not gonna say that it's an easy way. You have to still put yourself. You still have to have this discipline to do it. But the results are just amazing. Not in my wildest dreams I'll ever have imagined that I have to lose 82 pounds, almost 14 inches of my waist, go down from extra large shirt to being able to buy shirts in like regular people does, pants like regular people does. My belts are going down like crazy, and I just feel great. My kids I didn't know that they were so worried about me, about my health. They're really happy now. My wife is really happy. My mom and my dad, before they passed, they were able to see me with 60 pounds down. And after that, I lose even 22 pounds more. So it's just amazing. And it's now end of April. Like 2 months away from being the first year, and I have not gained any weight back at this point. And there's no weird things. I don't have to wake up at 12 in the morning and carry heavy tires and I don't know, pull giant ropes and go and look for a Himalayan tiger and I don't know, all those crazy stuff that everybody offers. This is real. This is real. If I was not living this, I would not be able to believe that. I was overweight. I was 80 pounds more. Those big bags of dog food that you guys can see in Costco, I was carrying 2 of those for all my life. Now I don't carry them anymore. Those little things that Dr. Patel has here, that's 1 pound of fat, I lose 80 of those. You cannot put them like in a table because they're gonna fit more than a table. So it's just amazing. I'm just happy. I always remember June 5, the day that I met her, like the second time that I was born. Things that I really like about the program, it was very clear, and everybody here in the office, starting from when you walk in, from the receptionist, the nurse, the nutritionist, and Dr. Patel, everybody was really always welcoming to me And it was like my chance for, on a weekly basis, to talk about all the things that were changing in my life. There were huge changes, and it was just amazing, because first month it was 21 pounds, and second month I went to almost 39 pounds. So it started like, I think like it was like a goal of how much am I gonna lose this month. And the way that I did it was not like that I was depriving myself or just making myself suffer, but I was seeing so many things change in my life. One time I told Dr. Patel that my arms start being longer because I was able to reach my shoes. My workout stopped being just putting my socks on. I was able to touch them and to go down to touch all the stuff. And then I came to 60 pounds. It was in the middle of COVID. And that's when I discovered that it was not about making excuses that my parents were overweight, that my brothers, my sisters. It was me. There's nothing have to do with genes or nothing. It's just to find somebody like I found here, thanks God, in this practice with Dr. Patel leading it, that they understood what I was looking for and they supported me. And I think that the basic things is every week I have the chance to talk to them and to express them the things, the fears that I have and all the insecurities that I have for being overweight. Some of the things that I saw, and I remember doing that, these were the pants that I used in June 5, 2020. They're a little bit bigger than what I am right now. These pants used to be tight on me. They were 44, and I'm using a 36. This shirt is the one that I have. Believe it or not, the bottom in my belly was tight. Well, I think that last time that I checked with Dr. Patel, I lost like almost 14 inches on my waist. So it looks a little bit like this now, this shirt that it used to be tight. And this is like in less than a year. This happened like around 6 or 7 months after I started. And again, it was not that I went through a lot of things during this time. So stress was not an excuse for that, for being overweight. But I was able to start walking. I was able that my ankles were not hurting anymore. I was able to go between cars in a parking lot without being stuck, or not having to go around the cars, but going between the cars. There's nothing weird. There's nothing, things that you cannot buy in Giant, Safeway, or any grocery store you go to. There's no magic pills, there's no magic drops, there's no magic potions. And I have a life. I can go to restaurants, I can go to dinners with my family, and the only thing that I do is that I learn how to eat and how to control myself. And that's all thanks to Dr. Patel. It's just the things that you get, the support that I get. I can call, I can email, I can ask them about things. And so far I have lost 82 pounds. So it's just life-changing.